Hello, welcome back to Garden-ish. It is a beautiful Saturday. Now it's afternoon. I've been chasing a dog, getting him back home from his shenanigans. And I wanted to show you guys a couple of my treats and to show you how big they've gotten since our last video. Um, and there's a couple other odds and ends that we're going to be doing in the garden today that I will tag you along with. So hopefully I will give you some good ideas and we'll get to see some progress out here. So let's flip around and let's go for a quick walk. Look at this guy. Now that's a good zucchini. Look at this thing. Okay, that's it for that. Let's go check out some other stuff. Okay, so I told you this is going to be a hodgepodge of a video today. So on our little lawn tractor, we have some tools and equipment. I have a couple of different size lag bolts, a bunch of those. We've got some L brackets. We got a driver. We've got some posts with a beam that will be attached by the end of this video, hopefully. Post hole digger, because, you know, we got to have holes for the posts to go in. And ta-da! There's our beautiful free 36-inch screen door that I've had for about 2 years now. So we're hoping to put this screen door on those posts and make this happen, Captain. It's pretty sturdy. Told you random stuff today. Here we go. Come on. It's a tough little job here. Just gonna let you know, this ain't easy. Hello. My little driver's gonna be mad at me after this nonsense. He's not used to this kind of hard work. And this is how I do things. I doubled up my palette because I need it to be more square up top. That works for me. So now, okay, so right now I'm hitting into some really hard ground. I don't know, I've got a few inches down. So I'm going to go connect the hose, soak it down so that way it gets softer and it'll be a lot easier to dig up. So you'll be right back. So here we go. All I did was I added some water to this hole and it's slowly going down, which is good. And then I soaked this side because this is where my other hole is going to be. So
what is the end goal of all this? Like to get rich, to make a living doing Yes, sir.
Okay, so holes are dug. I know that I need to stay under 11 inches because of the height of my door right there being 80 inches and the length of these posts. I've got to have less than 1 foot in the ground, which is, I think, plenty. I hope. I don't know. I'm not an actual contractor of this stuff, so don't quote me, but we'll see how it goes. So this one right now, we're at about 10 inches deep, and we should be a little bit right about that with this one too. Yeah, we're about the same on both. So I'm going to call it a day on the digging, and now I'm going to go get some help from some young muscles that are in the house and help pop this baby in these holes. So let's see how this goes. There it is, folks. Now we just got to wait for this concrete to set up, and hopefully tomorrow morning we can have the door put on. So thank you if you were able to stay and watch this whole smorgasbord of video stuff. I'm going to walk for the real first time into my walkway. Next year, I've already decided this pallet will not be here because it's really close, but that's okay. I can move it over there. And yeah. Don't forget my funky zucchini haul today. I think I'm going to make a zucchini casserole this week because I've got one other one inside. So, yay! Yay for stuff growing! How you doing, buddy? You stinky? You tired? Stuck in a cage? You dirty old dog. Hi, bud. We still love you. We do. We still love you. Pity. Total pity. And yeah. Thank you guys for being here today. I am going to water and do all the things that I need to do out here before it gets too late, and go in and take a shower, and yeah, I'm going to have a good night. Thank you, everyone. If you haven't liked or subscribed, do it now. There'll be more, don't worry, and let's keep this season going with more activities. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Be safe.